open your OctaFX app and click on the account which you have amount. I have $151. Now I click on it. So for withdraw, go to withdrawal. So there is Indian local banks. So I want withdraw $20. I will receive $1,514. So enter, select your bank, State Bank of India. Enter IFSC code. Recipient bank account number. So enter your bank account. So enter your OctaFX pin. Okay. Now click on request. So check your details. So the withdrawal time can be up to 3 business days. So check your details and click on confirm. So this is my withdrawal request. It is now pending. You will receive a mail, withdrawal request mail. Okay, after I receive amount in my bank, I will show you. See there guys, within 1 hour I received, they sent money to my bank account. And now I show you in my bank. See there, 1,514 rupees. Okay guys, thank you.